Hello again, and welcome to another edition of The Power of Better. I'm Elbert Walters III, Executive Director of Powering Chicago. Today, we are coming to you from the village of River Forest, where multiple electric vehicle charging stations are being installed here and all over Cook County. When an engineering firm was charged with leading multiple EV infrastructure projects in Cook County, their search led them to the experience and expertise of a Powering Chicago signatory contractor for support. In 2025, roughly 1/4 of the new car sales around the world were electric. This is a reality that has cities and towns alike looking to bolster their electric vehicle charging capabilities. One such community advancing this initiative in the Chicago area is River Forest, which recently showed off more than a dozen new electric vehicle charging stations in its community and surrounding areas.
We're very excited to have these ChargePoint charging stations here in River Forest to help our residents get easier access to power their new electric vehicles.
In fact, River Forest has been recognized as a Gold Electric Vehicle Ready community. That means access to their charging stations is not only available to the public, but its entire municipal vehicle fleet is transitioning to electric. River Forest Village Administrator Matt Walsh illustrated this while taking us for a ride in one of their electric vehicles.
The cost of the new charging stations was about $650,000. However, we benefited from rebates from the state of Illinois and through ComEd that covered almost 2/3 of the cost of installing the new stations. In a smaller town like ours, those dollars go a long way to allowing us to implement new initiatives like that.
To help achieve their cost savings goal, River Forest hired design firm Christopher B. Burke Engineering. Dave Novak is the head of sales of commercial and industrial energy at Christopher Burke.
From design through construction took approximately 12 months to complete the sites. At the end, there's 10 ports of level 2 and 8 ports of DC fast charging, so a total of 18 different ports within the village that we've provided.
Confronted with an exceptionally complex electrical project, Christopher Burke required a Tier 1 partner especially equipped for the challenge. Powering Chicago's signatory contractor, Connelly Electric, emerged as the partner to execute their sophisticated plan. Nick Pupich is Connelly's Director of Controls and Specialized Solutions.
Our role in this project was to bring the EVSE infrastructure and installation for the village of River Forest. What we did was we were able to work with Christopher Burke Engineering at designing a scope, plan, and review to take care of their electrical infrastructure for this project.
That meant installing the latest, most technologically advanced electric vehicle charging equipment. That portion of the project was led by clean transportation consultant GreenWays2Go. Tim Milburn is its president.
These are ChargePoint CPE 250s. They are DC fast chargers, and this is capable of 125 kilowatts per port. You can charge Japanese cars, American cars, and even Teslas with an adapter. What that means is in a half an hour, you might be able to get a couple hundred miles of range.
The commitment to an investment in sustainability has earned the community of River Forest the gold certification from the Metropolitan Mayors Caucus Electric Vehicle Readiness Program, an honor shared with Rolling Meadows, Oak Park, and Chicago. The goal of the EV Readiness Program is to provide support to the 275 local governments across 7 counties in Illinois. So says its senior sustainability specialist, Cheryl Scott.
What they have to do to earn gold is it's beyond some of the basics that we start with are examining the codes, making sure that the permits are clear for anyone that goes into Village Hall to install a charger in their home or business. And beyond that, they also need to conduct a fleet assessment and look at electrifying their fleet.
This EV-ready gold community is now on the road to true sustainability, which could not have happened without this advanced electrical collaboration.
It's very important to pick out the right electrical contractor for EV installations because there's additional tasks that are typically go into one of these projects as far as also coordination within ComEd to connect to their service. And Connelly Electric has provided an excellent, they were very professional, on time, on budget.
we're able to come up with planning and design to help out our customers and our construction partners get fast and easiest solution.
I think that if there's any doubt or concern about taking on an initiative like this, that they should reach out to Local 134 and Connelly Electric and Christopher Burke or the Village of River Forest to walk through that process to help share our story, our success story, and hope that that allays any doubt or concern about proceeding with a project like this.
We'd like to thank the Village of River Forest, Connelly Electric, and the Christopher Burke Engineering firm for their collaboration on this project. That will do it for another episode of The Power of Better. I'm Elbert Walters III, and on behalf of everyone at Powering Chicago, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.